Hello everyone, welcome to Data 2 Info. In today's video, we will look at what is time series. So, time series is basically, it has two parts, continuous and discrete. Let me show you what I mean by continuous and discrete. First of all, we have this data. You will get the data set in the description down below. You have this data where the dimensions part is age, gender and period, and the major part is unemployment. Let's take this data first to the sheet. It shows period over here. Let's take unemployment. Okay, so it shows something like this, but I want unemployment and period to be in the different columns and rows. Not like this. Okay, let's say just double click on the employment, just double click on the period. It shows unemployment data, sorry, and the period is, double click on the period, it shows some kind of line over here. Now what it shows, okay, first of all, just look at on the top, the period shows the in blue color. So whatever shows in the blue color, that means it's a dimension. Whatever shows in the green color, that means it's a major. All right, so dimension is a categorical data, right? Majors is a numerical data. So we have the period in the dimension, but it doesn't make sense that it's in the dimension. So we can just it's a discrete values, and we can just break it out. There is some a little plus symbol in front of it. Just click it and you will see it's according to year. If you just click it, it will just break it down to the quarter. If you further click it, if you break it down to the month, if you further click it, it will break it down to the day. See, a single day values you will see over here, right? So we don't need this, just remove these. So time series is basically related to the time, is related to the period, year, month, day, date, right? So this is what time series. But if you, let's say, click on this drop down button, you will find year, quarter, month, day. The same thing, year, quarter, month, day over here as well. What is the difference? The above one is looks like more discrete, and the below one is a continuous. So you can't like break it out. Okay, right now it's selected year, so it's a discrete. If you selected the below year, it will be continuous. See, it will be continuous. The timeline is now continuous period of timeline. That's why the color is also changed for the period. If you want to click the plus over here, if you click plus, it won't be like break it down. Okay, it will be continuous. So this is how it is. And you can just, if you want to just show what are the bullet points are, you can just highlight it and go to the colors and markers. Let's select the markers. Okay, now you can show the points, right? This is year wise. Let's say if you want in the continuous only, you want quarter wise, you will see more points over there on the timeline, right? If you want to see it month wise, you will see more points over there on the timeline, the month of period, right? But whereas you select the month on discrete, see, it shows a little different, but it's a discrete. So what is happening over here, that by default the or not by default, the Tableau understands that this data is a dimension. So it's a dimension variable. So it's considering January, February, March, April, June till December. It's a categorical data. So that's why it's showing that it's a categorical data, and that's why it is a dimension variable. If you just double click it, you will see the formula of it. So it's a month of period, right? So it's a date part. That's when you know that it's a dimension. But if you go for continuous, see here also you have the option for continuous or discrete. You will know if you have a little point in front of it, so it's a discrete. So discrete is on. If you go to continuous, so the color has changed to green from blue, and now the little point comes in front of continuous, right? This is continuous data for month. Let's go to year wise for continuous. Okay, year wise continuous, it looks better. You can format it as well from here. Go to the format. You can format it as well. You can format the dates. You have the dates like automatic dates you can use. You can use different types of dates, standard dates, long dates. You can use the like year and month or year and quarter, or you can use with the time as well. So different types of dates formats is available. You can choose those according to your choice. So this is what the time series is. It has continuous and discrete part. So according to your need, you can use it. Thanks for watching.